How is bilirubin produced in body? First of all, what is bilirubin? Bilirubin is a yellow-orange pigment produced when red blood cells break down. It is processed by the liver and excreted through bile and stool, giving them their brown color. High levels of bilirubin can cause jaundice, which is a yellowing of the skin and eyes, and may indicate problems with the liver, gallbladder, or red blood cells. Now, let's discuss the normal mechanism of bilirubin formation. The normal breakdown of hemoglobin in the body is a systematic process that occurs primarily in macrophages of the spleen and liver when red blood cells reach the end of their lifespan, which is about 120 days. The process reclaims useful components like iron and amino acids, while waste products are removed. Following are the steps in hemoglobin breakdown. Step 1. Phagocytosis. Old or damaged red blood cells are engulfed and broken down by specialized macrophages in the spleen, liver, and bone marrow. Step 2. Hemoglobin separation. Inside the macrophage, the hemoglobin molecule is split into its two main components. The heme group. It is an iron-containing pigment of hemoglobin. And the globin chains. It is the protein part of hemoglobin. Step 3. Globin processing. The globin protein chains are broken down into their constituent amino acids, which are then released into the general amino acid pool in the body to be recycled for the synthesis of new proteins. Step 4. Heme degradation and ion recycling. The heme group is catabolized by the enzyme heme oxygenase. The iron atom is removed from the center of the heme ring. This iron is bound to a protein, called transferrin, in the plasma, and either it is transported to the bone marrow for reuse in new hemoglobin synthesis, or transported to liver and spleen, where it is stored in the liver and spleen as ferritin or hemosiderin. The remaining portion of the heme ring, which is a linear molecule, is converted into a green pigment called bilirubin. Step 5. Bilirubin formation and transport. Bilirubin is then reduced by the enzyme bilirubin reductase to form a yellow pigment called unconjugated bilirubin. Unconjugated bilirubin is not water-soluble, so it binds to the protein albumin in the blood plasma for transport to the liver. Step 6. Liver processing and excretion. In the liver, hepatocytes, the liver cells, conjugate the bilirubin with glucuronic acid, making it water-soluble. This is conjugated bilirubin. This conjugated bilirubin is secreted into the bile and travels to the small intestine. Step 7. Elimination of bilirubin from the body. In the large intestine, intestinal bacteria metabolize bilirubin into urobilinogen. Most of the urobilinogen is converted into stercobilin, a brown pigment that gives feces their characteristic color, and is excreted in the stool. A small amount of urobilinogen is reabsorbed into the bloodstream and travels to the kidneys, where it is converted into urobilin and excreted in the urine, giving urine its yellow color.